Up for sale is this 1998 GMC Suburban 3/4 ton with the 4-wheel drive. This rig only has 109,000 miles. Gonna have the level 1 camper build, which is bed and storage, custom cut mattress, and the privacy package. This Suburban is gonna come with the 7.4 liter big block V8, made it to the 4L80 heavy duty transmission, and the rear end is a 14 bolt rear end with the G80 lockers. This combination of the big block V8 with the drivetrain allows this rig to tow 10,000 pounds. It's in really good shape. It's a clean title, no accidents, and the paint is actually in very good condition. There's a little bit of clear coat fading on the rear doors, but that's about it. This Suburban is going to come with the 8-foot by 4-foot roof basket, and the spare tire sits on top because of the camper build inside. The wheels are actually non-original, they're aftermarket wheels. We move on to the back and we see that this Suburban has the barn doors, and then we see the tow package underneath the chrome bumper. You could see how straight the body is, very good condition. No accidents, like I said earlier. Moving to the front, the factory fender flares are in really good shape, and we see a bug shield on the front hood, and then we see the tow hooks under the front chrome bumper. The undercarriage of this Suburban is in very good condition. You could see the frame has absolutely no rust on it. This is a stock height Suburban, so it has not been lifted. It does have the Bilstein shocks, so the ride quality is actually really good. So that's pretty much the outside. Let's go ahead and move on to the inside. Okay, moving on to the interior. Here we have our power windows, got our power door locks, and we got our power mirrors. This is a fully loaded Suburban. It has a gray leather interior. It has power seats. These are the power seat controls, and it's got heated seats as well for both driver and passenger. It has cruise control. It has front and rear air conditioning. This is the aftermarket CD player. It does have a Viper alarm system, and this is your push button 4-wheel drive. Here we have center console storage, pretty deep. You can store a lot of items in here. This is your cup holders. We got 2 of them in the front, and down here you have your 12-volt outlets. There's also 2 of them, 1 and 2, as well as the middle one, which is a cigarette lighter, but it can also be you can pull it out and you could use it as a 12-volt as well. You could see everything's in great shape. The carpet is very clean. The seats are not ripped. They're in excellent condition. And the headliner is also in really good shape. I mean, this thing has very low miles, and it shows. The condition reflects the mileage. We have a second row bench seat. Also look like it's never been sat on. It's actually in excellent shape. And here is your climate controls for the rear. The carpets also very clean back here. There's behind the center console, there's a little drawer for storage. And then if you open this up, it becomes a cup holder for the rear passengers. If you pull this down, it's an armrest, but it also is extra additional cup holders as well. So this Suburban, you can tell it's in very good condition on the outside and the inside. This is a 5-person SUV and 2-person camper. And right now I'm gonna go ahead and show you the camper build that is located back here where the 3rd row seat used to be. The 3rd row seat is included with the sale of this vehicle. So let's go ahead and check out the camper build. Okay, so I went ahead and folded the 2nd row seat in order to show you the build. Again, this is a level 1 build, which comes with the bed and storage, stained and glossed for a really nice finish. Comes with the custom cut 4-inch folding mattress, as well as the privacy package, which is the reflective insulation on all of the rear windows. And for the front 4 windows, we get this mesh sleeve which you could use for letting air in and keeping bugs out during the night. And you could see it's dark for privacy as well. Let me go ahead and show you how this bed platform extends for the mattress to lay on top. The very first thing we want to do is we want to open up these drawers. These drawers are sitting on heavy-duty soft closing ball bearing slides. So we want to go ahead and open both like this. They both open to equal lengths. And then we want to reach over and grab the extension that folds right on top of these drawers. And you can see now the mattress is ready to be unfolded on top of this bed platform. So let me go ahead and do that. Okay, so I went ahead and extended the mattress on top, and you could see it's a 50-inch wide mattress, comfortable enough for 2 people to sleep on, and the foam is 4-inch thick foam. It's a very comfortable mattress to sleep on. So that's pretty much the front side of this platform. Let me go to the back, open the doors, and show you the rear area. All right, moving to the back, we open the barn doors. The right side opens first, and then the left side opens after. So here's the back side of the platform. On this side, we have an empty space. Usually I like to store a table, a foldable table in here, as well as the stove. They fit really nice and snug on this side of the platform. And right above them, we have an extension that can be used, to put the stove, for prepping, cooking, whatever you need. It also sits on soft closing slides. And on this side, we have another drawer. So we have a total of 3, 2 in the front and 1 in the back. And these drawers are all about 7 inches deep, and they're about 27 inches long. You could see plenty of space to store a lot of items. But this drawer is going to have a topper. Open up the drawer and then reach over and just put the topper right above the drawer. And you can see now we have a very solid surface area, an additional surface area to also, cook, prep, do whatever you need on top of this drawer. So that's pretty much the platform build on this 98 3/4 ton GMC. For more information on this rig, visit the website www.horizonoverland.com, and under the for sale section you'll be able to see the listing on this particular rig, as well as a listing on the other rig that I also have for sale. And I will also have the link for the Craigslist ad in the description box below. Thank you for watching this video, and have a great day.